And one another point is that when you're getting your instance, you're not getting option for the Paris as well. You will not get option for the Paris. You will only get option for the cubic only.
Please check now, Prashant. Okay.
Wait, I'm login. No, let me log in from my ID. Let me check what
But
went
ऐसे
wrong
क्यों?
here. Wait,
दोबारा
let's
से
check.
reset भी कर दो.
No, wait. Prashant, don't log in now. Let me check.
Okay.
So is this is an incident or it is a problem?
PP
What do you
caps
think?
है ना Prashant? बस.
No, Arun, sorry, Nikhil, that is not be much required here. Harsha, what do you think? It is an incident or it is a problem?
It is an incident, sir.
Incident.
Are you sure? Prashant is this. Okay. So let me do this thing as well. Let's put Prashant as here and password. Let me reset. Prashant, now try with a small admin. ADMIN. Try it now. So this will be the common troubleshooting you guys need to do today. That I'm sure. Password नहीं चल रहा है. This is not working, sir. How can do it? Troubleshoot by your end. Prashant, it's fine now.
Yeah, it's just logged in.
Okay, great. So now you can get the next username and the password and share, and you can share on the WhatsApp chat only directly. That your username has been created. User ID should be the only first name. Don't put anything dot or something like this. We don't have anyone here who has a 1% or 2% with the same name. So let's have a user ID with the first name and then create the other step in a regular manner. Okay, so guys, anything else required here to be discussed?
So
Yes, Ishwar, go ahead.
Yeah, so in this case, it means the same PDI can be shared with the team members, right? And like in this case, we are doing it.
Yes.
And I mean to say, and the other team members, they can't work on their requirement, right? I mean, in the same PDI.
Yes, that I will show you in next 2 or 3 days. That how you can see that who is working on which particular stuff. There's a technique, there's a way available to see that on which thing Nikhil is working, on which thing Prashant is working, on which thing Ishwar is working, on which thing Harsha is working.
Okay. The other point is so we have learned about the four important concepts from the ITIL incident, change, right? These parts. So it means these things are already available as a module in this PDI, right? So it means this is already aligned to the ITIL 4 version right now, but we haven't gone through inside the like I mean to say how this works. What is the vastness of incident or change, right? On those lines. So I think we will going through it in the coming days.
Give me time. Give me time.
Okay. No. No. What I'm trying to do is
it is there. It is there.
Okay.
See,
No, what I'm trying to do is yes.
We will pick up this module, but in some different manner. Okay. Maybe I say, okay, let's use the incident management only for the notification purpose. Let's use the change management only for the workflow purpose. Let's use the SLA only for the problem management things. So we'll do a deep dive a little bit. I mean, it's required a little time to be go inside.
True. Yeah, I mean today the first day in which we saw the this tool, right?
Yes.
So I mean, so I'm not saying it to do itself everything, but I'm just trying to understand the like while connecting the dots with the ITIL 4, right?
Yes.
Like over there, ITIL was saying it so many these big words, right? And then how are they are? Can I find out those words in this tool or not? So I mean, I was just looking at from that angle.
No problem, buddy.
Thanks.
No problem. Okay. So all set, guys. I hope that everyone able to. Yes, Prashant.
I am not here. ये नहीं हो रहा है मेरे से.
What happened?
User creation.
What happened? Go here. Follow my steps. Go here, user,
changes.
and click here, users, and then click on the new. Nikhil, do one thing. Support Prashant here. Okay.
हाँ जी.
Yes, you support Prashant here, and then Prashant, if anyone else need help, then you guys are there to support others guys as well.
So rest of
Okay.
you can leave the call on. Because we need to go somewhere now.
Users option नहीं है इसमें.
So sorry, what Prashant?
User options नहीं आ रहा है इसमें.
How this is
That's
possible? You have admin rights. Search for the user, not users. Search for the user.
Yes. Yes.
Let me do one thing. Let me impersonate from your ID. I'll tell you this option as well, guys. See, it is there. User. I log in by your ID, Prashant. See. Maybe Nikhil, can you guide him?
हाँ प्रशांत आपका स्क्रीन शेयर करना प्लीज.
Guys, I need to be dropped now because I need to be leave little early. Okay, so we will connect again tomorrow at sharp 8:30, and tomorrow we will cover this complete navigation in detail, that what is the purpose of this, what is the purpose of this, these buttons and all the things will be there. Okay, but I want tomorrow everyone should be logged in from the laptop and should be able to log in by their own ID. Nobody will be using some other ID, or don't complain that Atul, I don't have my ID created in the system.
So,
Okay. Yes, Ishwar.
before wrapping this meeting, I just, if someone has the take the user's account, please just on WhatsApp that,
Yes,
at
yes.
least we.
Everybody who is creating the user account should be WhatsApp that okay, other account has been created, and then other person can create the other account. Sequencing we already discussed. Everybody know that to whom account you should be created. So Ishwar, you need to be create the, I guess, Aishwarya account.
Right.
Yes. Right. So you should remember that to whose account you need to be create, and other person should remember that who is giving you the user ID for your name.
Yes.
Okay. And don't worry, if any issue doubt, you can put into the chat window. I'll be replying back after 12 o'clock only. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, guys. See you again tomorrow at the same time, 8:30. Have a nice day and bye-bye.